Hello everyone. So if you want to boot your Xiaomi Redmi A3 into safe mode and exit it, you are to follow this step. So first of all, locate your power button right here on the side of your screen. It's right here, it's essential. You need to know where it is. Now hold your power button. Hold it until you summon your power off menu, like I just did. Now hold on your power off option and you will be prompted to reboot to safe mode. So press OK, and now your phone will be rebooted into safe mode. Let's wait for it. Alright, so now you're to unlock your phone, enter your PIN. As you see, we've entered our safe mode, so it's right here. So in safe mode, you have only your system applications. Third-party apps are unavailable. So basically, if you wanna exit from your safe mode, you're to locate your power button once again right here on the side of your screen. Hold it for a long time, and now simply press restart, and your phone gonna be rebooted into your normal Android mode. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.